In this episode of I Want That, we're going to explore the world of robotic lawnmowers. What is the technology behind them, their history, some of the pros and cons of this technology, and lastly, we're going to take a look at the top 5 products on the market. So stick around to the very end. Over the last 5 years, the growth in robotic mowing technology has been expanding rapidly. It started out with mowing tools that moved around your lawn with boundary wires and very slow and very minor cutting differences, to now it's grown to where there's artificial intelligence involved. There's also GPS satellite tracking involved around the property. But I'm not sure whether or not it's for everyone or for every property. And there are a couple of use cases that I'm really questioning whether or not how effective it is. So with that said, I've enlisted the help again of my imaginary friend, Mr. Getz. And Mr. Getz is going to give us a little bit of background about the technology. He might touch on some pros and cons about it. And then I'm going to dive into the top 5 products within the market. So with that said, Mr. Getz, welcome back.
Hello, Mr. I Want That. It's good to see you again. How may I assist you?
Mr. Getz, can you kind of give us a background on robotic mowing technology and how it came to pass?
Robotic mowers, or robot lawn mowers, are automated machines that maintain your lawn by cutting grass at preset intervals. They are designed to operate autonomously, navigating your garden's terrain with minimal human intervention. The heart of a robotic mower's operation lies in its sophisticated sensors and programming. Here's how they spring into action. Using perimeter wires installed around the edges of your lawn, guide pillars, or with GPS, these mowers detect boundaries to stay within the designated mowing area. Equipped with collision sensors, they can avoid obstacles like trees, garden gnomes, or even your lazy Sunday hammock. Unlike traditional mowing patterns, some of the early robotic mowers used a random path algorithm to ensure even coverage, avoiding wear patterns in the grass. You can program them to operate at specific times, perfect for setting them to work overnight or while you're at work, ensuring you always come home to a neatly trimmed lawn. Let's talk benefits. Once set up, they require minimal human effort. Just set your schedule, and forget. Most models are battery-operated, using less energy than conventional gas or electric mowers. They operate at much lower decibels, making them neighborhood-friendly at any hour. With no emissions and low energy use, they're a greener choice for lawn care. However, it's not all smooth mowing. Here are some drawbacks. Installing perimeter wires can be a hassle and might require professional help. They can be a significant investment compared to traditional mowers. They may struggle on very uneven lawns or steep inclines. Like any tech, they need regular cleaning and occasionally blade replacements. And there you have it. Robotic mowers are a fantastic solution for those looking to save time and reduce their environmental footprint, albeit with a few considerations to keep in mind. Whether you're a tech lover or simply enjoy a beautiful lawn with no fuss, robotic mowers might just be the gadget to add to your home.
Can you give me the latest technology innovations within robotic mowers?
Let's dive into the fresh grass of innovation and discover what's new in the world of robotic mowers. First up, GPS navigation and mapping. The newest robotic mowers come equipped with GPS technology, allowing them to map your garden with precision. This means they can plan efficient mowing paths, remember where they've already cut, and ensure every blade of grass is perfectly trimmed. No more random patterns. these smart mowers know your lawn like the back of their mechanical hands. Next, we have smart home integration. Imagine controlling your robotic mower through voice commands or an app on your smartphone. These mowers can now sync with home automation systems, allowing you to start, stop, schedule, and monitor mowing sessions from anywhere. That's right, your mower just became a part of your smart home ecosystem. Advancements in AI and learning algorithms are also revolutionizing how robotic mowers operate. These mowers learn over time, adapting to the specific quirks and contours of your lawn. They can detect areas of faster growth and adjust their mowing frequency or focus on problem spots, ensuring uniform lawn health and appearance. Modern robotic mowers are equipped with sophisticated sensors that detect movement and obstacles, automatically stopping the blades if pets or children are nearby. This adds an extra layer of security, making them safer for busy family gardens. And there you have it, the latest innovations in robotic mowers that combine convenience, efficiency, and safety. These advancements are not just about keeping your lawn tidy, they're about integrating smart technology into everyday life. Thanks for joining me on this journey through modern lawn care. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Until next time, keep your gardens green and your tech savvy.
Steel IMO 6. Conquer even the toughest terrain with the Steel IMO 6. This powerful mower tackles tall grass and inclines up to 45 degrees, leaving your entire lawn perfectly manicured. The IMO 6 utilizes advanced GPS technology for precise navigation, ensuring efficient mowing even in complex gardens with obstacles. Take control with the user-friendly smartphone app. Schedule mowing times, adjust cutting height, and monitor your mower's performance, all from the palm of your hand. Husk Avarna Automower 320 Nera. Cut the cord with the Husk Avarna Automower 320 Nera. This innovative mower uses virtual boundaries, optional, for a perimeter-free mowing experience. Enjoy the peace and quiet. The Nera boasts whisper-quiet operation, making it ideal for urban environments or mowing during off-peak hours. Equipped with advanced obstacle avoidance and automatic terrain handling, the Nera navigates even the most challenging landscapes with ease. Bosch Indigo S500. Achieve a flawless finish with the Bosch Indigo S500. This mower utilizes intelligent navigation for efficient mowing patterns and optimal coverage. Take control with your voice. The Indigo S500 integrates with voice assistants like Alexa for effortless scheduling and operation. The Indigo S500 automatically adjusts mowing intensity based on grass conditions, ensuring a healthy and vibrant lawn. Segway Navimo. Experience the future of lawn care with the Segway Navimo. This mower utilizes advanced AI technology for self-learning and obstacle avoidance, ensuring a stress-free mowing experience. The Navimo eliminates the need for boundary wires. This innovative mower uses AI to map your lawn and navigate efficiently. Enjoy the peace and quiet with the Navimo's Whisper Quiet operation, perfect for noise-sensitive areas or nighttime mowing. Ambrogio ZR Evo. The Ambrogio ZR Evo utilizes advanced obstacle avoidance and AI-powered navigation for a truly wire-free mowing experience. This agile mower effortlessly handles complex gardens with tight spaces and obstacles, ensuring a consistently manicured lawn. Sit back and relax. The ZR Evo schedules its own mowing routine and automatically returns to the charging station when needed. You know, we talked a lot about some of the technology around robotic mowers, and one of the things that I started to dig into and started to see some of the maybe weak use cases around robotic mowers. For example, many of the robotic mowers really only can do one area at a time, meaning they can do the front yard or they can do the backyard. But if you try to have them do both, your entire property all at once, sometimes it's pretty difficult to have these split zones. Let's say, for example, your backyard has a fence, and so it's pretty easy to have the mowing happen there. It just goes within that particular zone. But in order to go to the front yard, you'd have to physically move the lawnmower to the front yard, make it map that area, and then have it cut there. So you hopefully have your base station that can access both the front and the back lawn through some kind of navigation or some kind of path that you schedule or train the robotic mower on. So I don't know whether or not that's possible or easy to do with this current slate of robotic mowers, but it does seem to be somewhat of a flaw in its use case. And obviously the obstacle detection, it's a great tool. The other thing that I haven't really got a good look at out of all the demos I've seen of robotic mowers is how fine a cut is it? I see video after video where the robotic mower moves over grass, and I don't visibly see any discernible difference between when it first approached the grass area and when it left it. Also, how does it handle grass clippings? I've never seen that. Is the clipping so fine that you can't notice them? What if you have really tall grass and you haven't cut for 3 or 4 days? Is the robotic mower able to do that effortlessly without getting bogged down? So there's still some use cases that I'm still investigating with robotic mowers. The technology is great, and it's really mind-blowing to think that you can schedule your lawn to get trimmed or cut while you're away, and not to have to recharge it as well. It'll go back to the base station, recharge itself, and then continue off where it left. So it's almost a hands-free kind of a thing. So there are some use cases that I'm still not quite sure of, but so I think the jury is still out on all use cases of these lawns. Small lawns and single lawns, backyards or front yards, I think it has some really great potential and use cases. But for larger lawns, I have a pretty large yard, very hilly. That's great, but what about my side yard and my front yard? And not to mention, and we've already mentioned this before, it is a very pricey product. So you want to really make sure that you really review all the reviews on this to see whether or not this product is really for you. Let me know what your thoughts are about robotic mowers in the comments below. Do you have a product? Which product do you have? Do you have any of the same issues that I've mentioned? Or how have you overcome them? And which products would you recommend or not recommend? I'd like to get your feedback on it. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button. It's free to subscribe, and it really helps me continue to make content for this channel. Well, that's all we have for today. Thanks for coming. And until next time on I Want That.